Welcome again to a new video from Ryan Kevin Electronics YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to build a simple line following robot using mBot2. So all I need to write the code for other loop and if condition. And first, as you can see, I will take from the sensor, line following sensor, the indication for it. For example, if it reads 00 or 11011, so now it will gonna move forward. The robot should move forward. You can make it at 50% or 50 RPM. However, if it's 001, so it's gonna turn right also with the speed 50% or 50 RPM. However, if it is 100 or 0011, also it will turn right. Now it reads, if it reads 100, here I meant by one the black color, so it's gonna move or it's gonna turn left. Also the same process, if it's 1100, it will turn left also. So as you can see, so it will turn left. And now our code is ready. As you can see, I wrote all conditions for it. So now I gonna upload, connect the mBot2, and I gonna test it. So as you can see, the robot moves perfectly. So if you like such videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Thank you.